Good morning guys, I'll be giving you a short tutorial on how Big Blue Button works. So Big Blue Button is basically the application in which we will be conducting the TEDx conference in. So let's jump right into it. The first way you will be able to access Big Blue Button is through the link which you have sent to your registered email ID. So in this case, let's assume your registered email ID is in a Gmail account. So click Gmail, and here you will be able to see the mail which you have received from us, TEDx on Arapetai. So click that. This is an example of this is an example email. The original email will be a bit big and will contain a lot of instructions. So here you'll see the link which we have sent from our team. So you click that link and you open it with Chrome. We recommend you open it with Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. We are not sure whether any other browser actually works because it might not be able, it might not be capable to support the Big Blue Button application. So open it with Chrome or Firefox, and you will be asked to enter your name. So let's say your name is Nitin. Enter your name and then click join. You will be asked how you would like to join the audio call, and at first you must click listen only, and then you will have joined the audio conference. So now after you have joined, you will be listening to the various speakers who are speaking and the speeches, etc. And let's say you have some questions about the speaker or the speech which they have just given. So how would you ask them? You will not be allowed to use the mic. So your primary mode of interaction with the speakers will be through the chat. So how do you enable the chat, or how do you access the chat? So in the top left corner you have this person symbol. Click that, and here you will be able to see the list of users who are there. So you will be sending all your questions to me using the private chat. So my name is Sudhir Ravindran. You will be sending all your questions to me. So how do you start a private chat? You click my name and click start a private chat, and let's say you type a question, what does XYZ mean? So yeah, so and then you send this. I'll relay this question to my team. You will be basically asking them to the speakers, who will be answering. So that is basically so you will not be able to speak during the entirety of the conference. Your mode of interaction with the speakers will be through the chat which you will be having with me. So there is also this option of public chat, but this will also be disabled during the conference in order to discourage spamming of messages. And this might be open during the interaction sessions which we have planned for you guys, those games sessions and ice breaking sessions, etc. So yeah, and so during that time the public chat will be open, might be open. So that is that. And during these ice breaking sessions you might be required to unmute your microphone. So in order for you to do that, you will be clicking the audio symbol, which is here in the main screen, in the bottom of the screen. You will be having this audio symbol. Click that, and then click it again. Click that call symbol again. How would you like to join the audio? Now click microphone. Into the echo test. They'll ask you to speak a few words, and whether you hear the audio. Click yes, and then you will be able to speak with your microphone. Okay, and if you want to mute, you can mute like this. That is all. So that is basically how the whole thing will happen, guys. So applications you use like Zoom or Google Meet, uh, it is pretty similar with a few differences, and I hope I have clarified those differences to you. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Bye.